Good morning. It's a freezing cold day. It's really cold. Lots of ice on the roads, a bit of frost on the trees. So it's only natural that I would do some songs about the weather. Some songs about bit of songs about snow, bit of songs about the rain, song about the wind, and there's a little chant or a little rhyme at the beginning of the worksheet about mittens. And I went round the house and collected a few mittens. So I've got actually I think that's a baby's foot mitten, so it's not a proper hand mitten. I've got a mitten there that I made, which is not a very good pattern actually, and a fingerless glove, and a mitten there. So the chant, I'm not going to do the rhyme chant at the beginning, but that's something that you can look at on the paperwork. But I am going to do the first song, which is the first two songs actually are to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm just going to make sure I'm going to sing the right note. So I love this song because it's something you can start right early on with a little one and ask them about, pointing out the weather. So you can just sing this song every morning. It's a great song to sing, and we know the tune, so it's just nailing the words. So it goes like this. Look outside now, can you see what's the weather like today? Is there sunshine? Is there rain? Is wind blowing down the lane? Are there snowflakes falling down? Are there big clouds floating round? Look outside now, can you say what's the weather like today? And I guess you could have some sunshine, you could have some rain, you could have snowflakes. Well, now you could add some actions to that song. So that's a lovely song. Okay, same tune. This is about snowflakes. Snowflakes, snowflakes falling down. See them falling on the ground. See them landing here and there. See them landing everywhere. What a lovely winter sight when the world is covered bright. Snowflakes, snowflakes falling down. See them falling on the ground. And we've had quite a bit of snow on and off, haven't we, over the last couple of weeks. So it's a good one to have. It's a good one to have in your back pocket, really, for weather like this. Okay, a new one for me, this one. You'll notice with a lot of these songs, they have a very similar melody, because with babies and young children, we don't want to use really complicated songs. We want to use really simple tunes. So this one goes like this. Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter on my window pane. Dropping, 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 dropping on the ground. Dripping, 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 listen to the sound. Pitter patter on my window pane. Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Dropping, 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 dropping on the ground. Dripping, 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 listen to the sound. You could do some raindrops falling. Brilliant. So this is another one. It's got a rain verse and then a snow verse. And it's to the tune of Where is Thumbkin? It goes like this. It is raining on my head, on my head. Pitter patter raindrops, I'm all wet, I'm all wet. It is snowing on my head, on my head. Look at the snowflakes, beautiful beautiful snowflakes, freezing cold, freezing cold. Good. So, one for the wind. This is the tune of Hush Little Baby, hush little baby, don't you cry. So we're going to do this. I see the wind when the leaves dance by. I see the wind when the clothes wave high. I see the wind when the trees bend low. I see the wind when the flags all blow. I see the wind when the kites fly high. I see the wind when the clouds float by. I see the wind when it blows my hair. I see the wind most everywhere. Wind's a funny thing to try and explain because we can't actually see the wind, we can only see what it does. Let's do that once more. I see the wind when the leaves dance by. I see the wind when the clothes wave high. I see the wind when the trees bend low. I see the wind when the flags all blow. I see the wind when the kites fly high. I see the wind when the clouds float by. I see the wind when it blows my hair. I see the wind most anywhere. Or everywhere. Great. So one more song now. I'm just going to make sure. Okay, this is a lovely song actually because it's positive about the winter. Now most of us, or some of us, are not terribly positive about the winter. I'm not very fond of the winter. I much prefer the hot weather. But this is a song. In winter I put on my jacket to the tune of My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. In winter I put on my jacket. In winter I put on my hat. In winter I put on my boots and go out to play just like that. Grey skies, bare trees, oh winter's the season for me, for me. Raindrops dripping down my back, yet winter's the season for me. I splash and I splash in the puddles. I stick out my tongue to catch snow. My socks are all squishy with water. My goodness, I can't feel my toes. Grey skies, bare trees, oh winter's the season for me, for me. Raindrops dripping down my back, yet winter's the season for me. Grey skies, bare trees, oh winter's the season for me, for me. Raindrops dripping down my back, yes winter's the season for me. Yes, winter's the season for me. Well, it's good to be positive, even though things are not that easy for any of us at the minute. So this comes with a Happy New Year from me. And I'm hoping that Alia is well and that you're all warm and toasty. All right, see you next week. Bye.